everyone, I'm Lauren Biedenharn, your local and tech-savvy real estate agent here in Los Angeles. Welcome to my step-by-step tutorial overview on how to purchase a home. Today we're going to go over step number 9, loan contingency. Now every case is different, every state has different laws, so please use this as a general overview, and if you have questions, leave me a comment or contact me directly. I would love for your feedback so I can help more of you and make a better tutorial for all. So ask me anything. The loan contingency is often the last contingency to release, and therefore is important because it signifies your deposit going hard. After the appraisal comes in, your lender or mortgage broker will then complete underwriting. They will let you know of any obstacles that are holding you back from loan approval and are important to fix immediately. Once all the items are resolved and the lender or broker gives you loan approval, you may now release your loan contingency. Your agent will have you sign a contingency removal form where you will remove your loan contingency or all contingencies. After you sign and remove all your contingencies, your deposit will go hard and be irrevocable. After this step, you'll still have a list of closing items to complete before you get your keys. So watch the next video to learn about closing and subscribe to my channel for future tutorials and videos. Thank you and see y'all next time.